It's time to deck the halls, and Hobby Lobby has everything you need to bring home holiday cheer. From the beautiful branches to the presents underneath, your Christmas tree embodies the spirit of the season, and no tree is complete without stunning ornaments, floral picks, and ribbons. Keep this holiday season warm and cozy with plenty of pillows in a variety of colors, shapes, and textures. Small seasonal accents are a great way to add touches of Christmas throughout your home. Try styling tablescapes with decorative trees, artfully displaying your nativity set, and sprinkling in candles with a nostalgic sense of the holidays. And what better way to add festive flair than with a Christmas gallery wall? A common palette, subjects, or style can unify your artwork, creating a cohesive display that's merry and bright. When it comes to garlands, Hobby Lobby has an abundance to choose from, and all look gorgeous hanging from archways or adorning mantels. For a tried-and-true way to radiate Christmas cheer, line up a charming row of Nutcrackers in any size or finish, or mix and match an assortment of prints and patterns as you hang stockings for the whole family. The perfect Christmas decor sets the scene for special moments and holiday memories. To create your winter wonderland today, visit Hobby Lobby in store or online at hobbylobby.com. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.